Welcome to the inaugural game of Guess Which Celebrity is being depicted in Samsung's new AR emoji. Everyone look away. No cheating. I show the face on my phone to the Samsung. It hasn't done a good job at all here, but I actually kind of feel that this is maybe not so much the phone's fault as it is mine a little bit. So here we go. Are we ready for the first one?
Yeah, so ready.
Okay, what is the nationality?
American, I believe.
Is this person a sports star?
No. You won't see the smiling.
Has he got a bald spot on the back there?
No, that's not him. That's
So the frowning is representation of his.
He's smiling a lot
Wait,
now.
is
I
he
don't know.
a musician?
Kanye West.
It's Kanye West. First point goes.
That could not. He's always frowning.
First point goes to Kent. Here's who we're going to do this time. Okay, now we're going to go and find a face. Okay, focus that time, so that's good. Put my phone away so we can't see. It's a female. Creating the emoji.
Another drink. Stick up for those rules.
Oh dear me. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear.
Oh, I can't wait to see it.
Okay, I mean, I don't think that's particularly representative of her best hairstyle. I don't know what is. No, none of these suit. Are you ready?
Yeah, ready. Helen
Martha
Mirren.
Stewart.
Judi Dench.
Angela Merkel.
maybe-
Theresa May.
Is this person British?
Yes.
Is this person in politics? Or
Sort of.
Is she the queen?
Yes.
What?
She's the queen. Yes, this is Queen Elizabeth, Queen of England, my monarch.
Now there's no hat.
I think that's from a game, but I don't, it doesn't matter. Okay, look away so you can't see the face.
I was really thinking Teresa May.
Yeah,
Make sure you
that's why I
get
thought
a
queen.
sports
Yeah.
ball person for Roger. Sports ball for Roger.
Sports ball.
Well, maybe this. Are you ready?
All right, let's do it.
Thierry Henry.
Michael Jordan.
Michael Jordan. Straight away. Needs no guesses. Straight in there with Michael Jordan. This one's a nice clean portrait, so we should be able to get a good one from this. Look away. Here are your hair color options. Nothing natural, and then all of a sudden, that is the best we're going to get.
Carrot Top.
Conor
Ed
O'Brien.
Sheeran.
Ed Sheeran. You're just thinking any ginger-haired man. Everyone look away. I mean, I'm going to have to edit hair because I know definitely that we need. So that's kind of the nearest. Right, and maybe clothes. I think leather. Okay, that's probably the nearest I reckon we can get.
Is this person a musician?
Yes.
Is it Alanis Morissette?
Very close. No, it's not. No,
Shania
it's
Twain.
not. It's a man. It's a man.
Also, can we do some skin tone? Just pop over to the
Michael
anime
Jackson.
version.
Michael Jackson. Yeah, Roger is on point in this game. I'm just having a joke now, so.
Clearly you disagreed with yourself.
So confusing.
It won't do it. It will not accept this one.
Yeah, right. And I don't, yeah.
This is Samsung trolling us all. They don't
Right.
even really care.
That's the nearest we're going to get. I'll put him in a suit.
Was it a decent sized man though? Because the worst ones are the ones that are like.
Although that's a bit of a.
I mean, proportional to the cartoon head, yes.
You know what? I'm going to take him out of that suit. I think that's going to throw people off too much. Oh no, but the other one's in. Okay. Alright, he's going in there.
Matt Bellamy.
No. It's a British actor.
British actor. Okay. Colin
Default answer
Firth.
for every.
He's not blinking his eyes enough.
No, it's not Hugh Grant. He has a funny name.
He looks as baffled as we are.
He is as baffled as we are.
Am I?
Is he having an identity crisis?
Wait, so is this a good approximation of what he looks like?
No, obviously not. Have any of them been? He has a name similar to a breakfast food.
Weetabix.
Silly and
Wheatos, eggs,
Pancakes.
bacon,
Check.
toast.
Oh,
Scrambled
Benedict
egg.
Cumberbatch.
Thank you. Eggs Benedict.
That looks
Recently.
nothing like Sherlock.
Yeah, we're doing okay. Which is the last one. You always look so happy.
I guess I think that it was like made for people like me.
Okay, I mean,
Yeah.
there we go. Looks about as real as normal.
I want her to be singing this through air.
Oh, that's pretty good. Oh, it's so good actually. You ready?
Yeah. Donald Trump.
There we go. That does look. I mean, it just.
Actually, pretty good.
They have his suit. I think Roger is a proud winner, and we've all learned a little bit something about Samsung's AR emojis.